wish you that willing to help and buy your house instead of you're there on the live every day I say you want so much for rent. Why him not come talk them things? So why a different story him a twist and turn I come give you? Why him never come and say Macka say she want get you a house so you not fear depend live every day a big house and a big this. Why him not come say that? Him not come share them positive things but him a pick out the negativity if he come tell you.
Yeah.
We dirty, man. Him can't run up in a me, you know. Me dirty, you know. Time not even know me, you know.
I think that in live.
Me dirty, man. Him can't run up in a me. And him can't talk nothing bad for me. Candy, this is the video where Macka man do where she say according to some people she do song with Batman and Madman.
Oh yeah, somebody send me it, but
she not say nothing bad, don't it?
Well, the Madman part. Maybe she not mean no, based off of the fact that people have that she just said that.
That's what she said, according to what people said. According.
So people have said Derrick.
Shemar come tell Derrick about Macka man I call him Madman and Batman.
Oh no, maybe she according to what people have said.
Him can be add him in. You want add him?
Me?
You can add him. She on the live, yeah?
Add him.
Don't get so dirty blood clot man don't get for anytime you're ready for me pussy hole. If me say what me say out of my blood clot mouth you can't beat me. Batty blood clot boy you can't beat me. Me not afraid of you. Me no blood clot afraid of you. Me say what me say out of my mouth. With the blood clot you run up in and never come talk about you will do me this or you will do me that dirty man. Dirty man, you try to cut out you try blood clot cut you out of my pussy. With the blood clot you come up with every time come talk this and talk that. Me say she make a statement and me don't know why she make the statement and me said to Derrick, say Derrick, me not like that statement there. That is all me say. When the blood clot where you mute for dirty batty boys, you think me afraid of you? You think me blood clot afraid of you? Me say what me say out of me batty pussy blood clot mouth and me suck up mouth. Me say what me say dirty man.
Fish me the blood clot. You have to come down with me dirty.
Go dirty your mama. Go dirty your mama when you to the rank cooper. Go dirty your blood clot mama undercover batty blood clot boy. No call me name to your hype. Don't call me name because you shit in a face and give me blood clot near batty man. When the blood clot be, you don't call me name. Me live somewhere, I'm supposed to have one blood clot underpants. Me have underpants, so when that people can't fit me a blood clot, dirty batty man. And me have one if a dirty drawers in there, so. You come suck out me own, you call me name over here. Dirty man, where you know about me and clothes? Where you know about me and blood clot clothes? Me don't want to clothes and blood clot because me not gonna wear. I work, me want my blood clot uniform figure work till it's dirty blood clot, but boy, no call me name. No call me name, me say what me say out of my mouth. Me say what me say out of my mouth, me say Derrick, I don't know if she mean anything, but me never like that statement where she did say, madman, dirty batty man, where the blood clot to come up in a box for me to the Sunday, dirty man. When I go clean out your dirty house, me say what me say. Me say Derrick Macka made that statement, and to me no know about you, me no like that statement. That's all me say out of my mouth. Where you hear me say? Where you hear my blood clot say? Where you hear me say dirty man? Okay. Dirty drip, batty blood clot man is a fuck you look me is a woman. When the blood clot you come up in the Derrick Macka come talk about oh me not have clothes or oh me not have that. Come suck out me hole and don't call me name a blood clot. You hear me I tell you? With the blood
come
clot,
somewhere
you
the
know,
woman
argue
that's
with
a
the
batty man,
you gotta ask Macka Diamond what she mean.
What if him to my gun now?
Look here.
Are your cock you want empty in my hole? Are your blood clot cocky you want empty in my pussy? Or why you come push your cocky in my hole make a shit up your blood clot, dirty man? With the bomb clot.
Derrick, when me can't able to talk, me come back. Me can't bother.
Macka Diamond talk.
Because what me I try to say is, if me dey for one life, I'm talk about 1 hour. Well, I know if me dey on a life for 1 hour, I'm talk all the things that man people take out peace and twist it all them want twist it. Me don't know what else to say. The people that say me do song with Ray man and him a mad man and no live nowhere all these things. And the people that me said, man, nobody turn a life on me. Me said the whole honest me do song with this man and at least a song.
Exactly. You use the word according to what people say.
Me no want nobody turn a life on me.
According to what people say, this look a fish come and say what you not say.
That's what I said.
Gun in her face.
Fish and your big sticky mama pussy. Tell your mama to go change her stay free and there the blood clot fish there. Don't call me name now you dirty mouth. You hear me tell you batty man? Don't make me go and bat today no.
Hey, may I call you when I'm done?
Yeah,
I said to Derrick, this is what me say.
I come on run my way.
This is what me say. This is what me say to Derrick. Me say, Derrick, you know me see a screen recording with Macka Diamond say, me make a song with a madman and a batty man. And me say, Derrick, me not like that statement there. That sound very disrespectful. That's all me say on the live, you know. That's all me say on the live. Nobody not hear me say nothing more out of me batty pussy mouth. That's all me say. And this batty man run up in the box. The screen recording is all over the place. It's not what me say, it's what Macka say. And then me turn to Derrick and me say, Derrick,
that is not what she said.
Shut the fuck up, let me talk. Shut the fuck up, let me talk, batty man.
Come on, say what she said. She used the word according to what people say. Why you leave out that word?
Shut the fuck up, let me don't talk.
That word. And none of that alone, she said, why you not talk all of the good things that she has in mind? The only good things that she...
Let me don't talk first. Let me blood clot don't talk first.
And Derrick cuss the woman.
Let me don't talk first, batty blood clot. Let me don't talk first.
Like that alone, the woman say, and you leave out the word according.
Let me don't talk. Let me don't talk, batty man. Turn to Derrick and I say, Derrick,
you leave out the word according.
This is what me don't talk no batty man. Batty blood clot man, never don't talk no. But me don't talk no pussy one.
Big old
Bagga boy will look like you know come from you come up in a box. You come up in a box. Move your blood clot and go here. Come near about my batty pussy. Come near about the batty pussy. Come use your tongue and play that mission there and I'm a blood clot.
If your body come at Jamaica, me lick you in your face.
You can't do me nothing a blood clot. I'm going to take down your picture like one can go for your dirty blood clot. Turn on your camera and let me see a batty blood clot boy. Turn on your camera right. You have bad blood clot boy. Turn on your camera. Come here.
If your body come at Jamaica,
turn on your blood clot camera. Somebody go over there, go take down him picture for him profile and send it come give me. Turn on your camera, batty man. Come in afraid of you. Turn on your camera, I'm not afraid of your blood clot. I'm a Satan angel, I'm not afraid of your blood clot. I'm not afraid of you and no gun.
Come here, some man.
Come here, out the wall. Turn on your camera.
I don't like this type of talk. Keep it positive.
Yeah, bad man, turn on your camera. You come up and adventure. Turn on your camera. Let me get your face.
With that.
Get your blood clot face. Give me a date of birth and your name. Give me a blood clot. Beat out your big stinking mama who walk and sell her pussy all about and don't know your father. Go beat your big stinking orange mama. We get it to the that's why you're walking and get trouble. You're walking and get blood clot problem because your body liquor. No picture in the up camera, no bad boy. Come suck out me hole. Come suck out me blood clot hole. Come in afraid of you. If you're a bad boy, turn on your camera and show your ID. Give me a blood clot date of birth and your full name. Make a patch your blood clot and put you one side. Come, you know me I wish. You know me I who? Me the 7 devil blood clot. Sit down your son. You hear me I tell you, Derrick, warn your moderator, you know. Warn your blood clot moderator, can me use all in profile name and tie up him dirty blood clot. You know me who? I'm a Satan disciple. Don't blood clot come for me. You hear me I tell you, batty man? You hear me a blood clot tell you? Can look like it's a fuck you want, you know. Where you want me body hole and my mouth you want push it in a tell me, you know. Tell me, you know, cause it have to go big, you know, cause that the little sit the way you act here and pleasure me. Cause it's a fuck you want. With the bumbo clot here call me name over here, pa. Me say what me say. Me say what me say.
Shemar, come thump me in my mouth. Shemar,
You don't
come
want
thump
to
me
be
in
in your mouth a blood clap. It's a turn on your camera. Come turn on your camera. Come turn on your camera. Bad blood. Turn on your camera.
Shemar, dirty
How you
oh,
have the gun?
Come
And
thump
you
me
want to
in
shot me
my
with it? Tell me now. Tell me where you want. Tell me where your blood clot of dirty man. You can't. Me not argue with people back a blank page. Me not argue with people back a blank page. Come suck out me hole. Me not argue with blood clot people back a blank
Guys,
page.
I am off. I don't support this type of negativity with the truck and all of that. You guys see what the fuck has been going on social media with people making fucking threats and then people losing their lives. Guess what? If something happened to Shemar right now, they are going to come for you, truth. So don't be saying stuff like that. Because if something really happened to Shemar, this is the live and the screen record that is going to go out there and said, oh, you were making threats and you're this and that panda live about Shemar, so you do it all. When I know you, they're going to say,
anytime come a Jamaica,
guys, don't be playing these type of games. Social media
anytime come a Jamaica, I'm licking him in the face.
Uncle,
Me there, look and listen.
One pasa. I want go on over here, uncle. Be a pasa in a Sunday.
I give me a look, my love.
No, sir. But click on a be a pasa. But see I go on with Shemar and that one. We name truth of something like that. No, sir. Maybe true it. Are you take him down?
The man can't class me. Coming up. Shemar a man and me a man. But now let's see Kevin.
Where next one, the uncle? Where next one? Don't listen to hearsay. Go and go look for yourself. Because sometimes they say them something there and nothing no good so.
I'm not business.
But that morning can't class Derrick at the Derrick and say nothing about I mean for class and I mean for run up there. When them have strength fine. So where my class Derrick for? I mean for class and I mean for come step. I mean for come step too. You know for class Derrick.